Deadline dread? You're not alone. But who needs boring lectures? This video is your guide to conquering procrastination. 5 steps, 0 BS, with a bonus tip at the end that will change the game. Let's do this. Step 1. Identify your why. Ever heard of the why, what, how rule? Marcus Aurelius, a famous Stoic philosopher, said, "Our life is what our thoughts make it." Before diving into the what and how of your task, figure out your why. Why is this project important? Is it for a dream job, a personal goal, or simply to avoid that nagging feeling of incompleteness? A clear why fuels motivation and makes starting feel less daunting. Step 2. Chunk it down. Large tasks are intimidating. Break them down into smaller, more manageable chunks. Feeling swamped by a research paper? Start with 30 minutes of focused note-taking. This strategy, called task fragmentation, is backed by science. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found it significantly reduced procrastination. Step 3. Tame the distractions. Social media, that never-ending email chain, the lure of the fridge. Distractions are everywhere. Silence the notifications. Close the unnecessary browser tabs and find a quiet workspace. This creates an environment conducive to focus. As Bruce Lee said, "Do not fear the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." Focused repetition is key. Step 4. The power of planning. Schedule your tasks. Treat them like important appointments in your calendar. This creates a sense of accountability and keeps you on track. Planning also allows you to be realistic about how much you can achieve in a day. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Step 5. Reward yourself. Positive reinforcement is powerful. Set milestones and reward yourself for completing them. This could be a coffee break, a quick game, or anything that motivates you. Rewards keep you engaged and make the process feel less like a chore. Bonus tip: the Pomodoro Power-Up. The Pomodoro technique is your new weapon. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus solely on your task and resist distractions. When the timer rings, reward yourself with a short break. 5 minutes is perfect. Repeat. This method keeps you focused in short bursts and prevents burnout. Remember, procrastination doesn't have to control you. Take action today with these simple steps and watch your productivity soar.